my channel, it's Akshat Goenka, and today I am going to show you how to solve this Rubik's Cube. Sorry, I am going to teach you how to solve this Rubik's Cube. So first we have to find the white edges. There is a white edge, second white edge, the third white edge, and the fourth white edge. So as you can see, we have found all the white edges. So firstly, we have to make them get on the yellow center. So as you can see, one is on the yellow center. Then we will make the another one get on the yellow center. And then we have to make them all get on the yellow center. So as you can see, we have made them all get on the yellow center. So it should look like this. The yellow center in the center, the yellow in the center, the white edge, the white edge, the white edge, and the white edge. All four are here. So firstly, as you can see, every white edge has another color on the other side. So it should match on this center. So like it's orange, it isn't matching the green. So we have to turn it. This is red, so it isn't matching with green. This is blue, it isn't matching with green. This is green, it is matching with green. And it has a white on other side. So we can make, we have to twist it 180 degrees like this. So the white center will match with this white edge, and the green center will match with this white and the yellow, the green tips. So these both are matching. This white center and the edge, the yellow green center and the green edge. So we have to make all the colors on like this. So the one white edge is on the white center. So we have to make others too. So as you can see, this is red, then this isn't matching with this blue. You have to turn it again. So now it's matching with blue and it has a white color on it. So we can turn it 180 degrees. Now the white center have two edges, and one is green and the one is blue, and it's creating a straight line. And then we have to make these two also get on the white face. So this white edge and this white edge should also get on the white center. So first we have to match this, and it is matching. So we will rotate it 180 degrees. Now it's creating I don't know, it's like now it have a straight line and a normal half line. Now it's red here, the red is matching, the blue is matching, and the green is matching. So we have to match the orange too. So first we will get on the yellow center, then we will turn it like this, and this is the orange center. So the orange center and the yellow center, the orange should match with this should be. It's not matching, it's red. Now it's matching and we have a white on here. So we can turn it 180 degrees. So as you can see, here is a white cross, and this is the first step to solve a Rubik's Cube. And we have completed the first step to solve a Rubik's Cube. So as you can see, we have a white cross here, a green line, a red line, a blue line, and a orange line. So we have all the lines, and with the white cross. So we should complete here because the video is getting longer. So I will meet you in the next episode of this series. Goodbye.